Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to clear the history, cache and cookies from your Safari on your iPhone or iPad. And so let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down and tap on apps. Now from here you have to navigate to Safari. For the easy way, I'm going to just go over here, the search icon over here, just tap over here and type Safari here. Once you get into the Safari, just tap on this one, and from here you have to scroll down all the way down. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see there is an option called Clear History and Website Data. Tap on this one, and that is going to clear up all these things. So now we can select everything. If you want this for last hour, we can do it. If you wanted a particular day, that is for today, from the morning to till time, you can do it. And if you need today and yesterday, you can do it. And if you need for the down the road, all the kind of things should be removed, then you can just go for all history over here. And also, if you wanted to close all the tabs, you can just turn on this and you can go for the clear history here. So all the data and that kind of things will be completely gone. So this is for the first thing. Next one, for example, if you need to keep or clear the cookies and cache but keep your website history, then you just need to scroll down from here and click on advanced over here. Now from here you just need to tap on the website data, and you can see you'll be getting all kind of details over here on your websites and all those things, and you can remove it from here. As you can see, these are kind of things, and if you wanted to remove it, just tap on remove all website data from here and just go for remove now. And this is what you have to do. So these are the two ways. And now if you wanted to delete a website from your history, which means a particular website from your history, then what you need to do is you just need to go over here, open up your Safari, and from here what you need to do is you just need to click over on the three dot over here, and you can see there is an option called bookmarks. Tap on it and I go to the history icon over here. For example, if you wanted to change this particular one over here, you can do like this. There is an option to delete, just go for delete it. So that particular website kind of things is completely removed. And this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.